Introducing the MaxLite Tabletop Air Purifier, a high-performance filtration system engineered for superior indoor air quality. Inside the box, you'll find the air purifier, an H13 True HEPA filter, and instruction manual. Setup is instant. Just unscrew the base, unwrap the pre-installed filter, and lock the cover back into place. The True HEPA filter goes right to work, trapping at least 99.5% of airborne allergens, dust, and smoke particles. Choose from 4 fan speeds: low, medium, high, or engage sleep mode for whisper quiet operation with the screen completely turned off. Customize your schedule using the 2, 4, 6, or 8-hour timers. Secure your preferences with a 3-second hold on the child lock. And never guess on maintenance thanks to the Smart Filter Reset Indicator. The output is exceptional, effectively purifying over 1,000 square feet every hour. Clean, efficient, and immediately effective. MaxLite, a new wave of light.